name is Trisha Lorena, and today, me and my friends will be reviewing an article called Smart Home Security System. This article was written by a group of authors, including Muhammad Harith Bahrain, Ruzairi Abdurrahim, T. Kiansek, and others. This article was published in 2022 in the Sensor and Instrumentation System series. This article discusses the concept of a smart home security system, which is a part of Internet of Things, IoT. What is IoT? IoT is where devices are connected to each other through the internet. The smart home system is designed to help secure homes by detecting issues like intrusions, data leaks, and many more. However, there are some main challenges and issues in making sure the system is safe, reliable, and effective. Today, I'll go over 4 main issues and challenges highlighted by the authors. The first major issue is the security risk in IoT systems. Since these devices are connected to the internet, they are exposed to security threats. For example, hackers could use attacks like man-in-the-middle, MITM, where they intercept or alter data sent between devices. This could be very dangerous in a home security system. To reduce the risk, the author suggests using strong data encryption methods like AES or RSA. Encryption helps the data to be safe and private so that even if it's intercepted, it can't be read easily. The second challenge is with communication and network issue. Because the system relies on the internet to connect home devices with smartphones, there's a chance of data being stolen or tampered with during transmission. Attacks like denial of service (DOS) can block communication between devices, making the system less reliable. The author suggests adding monitoring tools to keep an eye on the network and using a protocol called ZigBee, which is a safer option for wireless communication. This can help reduce the risk associated with Wi-Fi networks. The third issue is the sensitivity and accuracy of the sensors. The sensors detect movements, sound, smoke, and water leaks. For the system to work well, the sensors need to be finely tuned. If they are too sensitive, they can trigger the false alarm, which can be annoying and reduce trust in the system. The authors mentioned that the system uses PIR, passive infrared sensors, for motion and sound detection, but they note that this can sometimes be too sensitive. Adjusting the system can help the sensors detect only relevant movements or sounds, making the system more accurate. The last issue is the system's dependence on a continuous power supply. If there's a power cut, the system might stop working, which is risky for the security. To address this, the authors recommend using a rechargeable battery as a backup power source. This ensures the systems keep running even if the main power is interrupted.
The implications and significance of findings. The study's findings underscore the importance of robust security protocol and efficient design in IoT-based smart home system. By addressing communication vulnerabilities and implementing reliable encryption techniques, the system can be significantly enhance home safety and privacy. The ability to remotely monitor and control home device offers convenience, but it also introduces risks that must be managed carefully to protect user data. The implications of this research are significant as it addresses both technical and practical challenges in making smart home security system more secure and user-friendly. By implementing suggested solutions, this IoT-based security system has the potential to become a safer, widely accepted option for residential security. This, in turn, could accelerate adoption of smart home technology, advancing the IoT industry and setting higher standards for security in personal and commercial IoT applications. There are a few types of sensor that mentioned in this research paper. Firstly is PIR motion sensor is used to detect if there is any motion inside the car. Second is water leaking sensor to detect a leak of water and send turn off command to turn off the water valve. Third is smoke detector which is to detect smoke and typically act as indicator of the fire. Lastly, a sound sensor module is used to detect if there is any sound inside the car. There are few types of communication that used in this research paper, which are Wi-Fi and ZigBee.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone, I'm Khadijah bin Ilyas and today I'm gonna briefly explain the key component in the smart home system. The first one is data encryption. Many attacks like man-in-the-middle attacks can compromise data security by monitoring or altering information exchange. So this encryption is essential for protecting data within the system. Various cryptographic techniques are applied to secure the communication. Next, microcontroller. The Arduino Uno microcontroller is chosen for the system. Arduino's simple programming make it an accessible option for developing this home solution. Next, the software requirement. The smart home system require Arduino IDE software to program and upload code to the microcontroller. Next, I'm gonna explain about the hardware requirement. First, Arduino Uno that act as a central microcontroller that overseeing all the processes in the system. Second one is the robot motor that used to control the locking and unlocking mechanism in the system. And the last one is SIM800 GSM module that facilitate communication by sending alerts and notification to the users.
Hi, I'm Sharifah and today I'll be comparing two articles that both explore smart home security system. The first article is titled Smart Home Security System, written by the authors and its colleagues, and it was published in 2022. This article focuses on a practical IoT-based security system designed to keep homes safe through internet-connected devices. It highlights four main challenges. First, security risk. Because IoT devices are online, they're vulnerable to attacks like man-in-the-middle where hackers intercept data. To solve this, the authors recommend strong data encryption. 2. Communication issues. Since the system relies on the internet, data can be interrupted or even blocked by attacks. The authors suggest using safer protocols like ZigBee to improve security. 3. Sensor sensitivity. Sensors that detect movement or sound need to be adjusted carefully. If they're too sensitive, they may cause false alarm. 4. Power dependency. This system needs a stable power source to function continuously. To address this, the author recommends a backup battery to keep it running during power outages. Now, let's look at the second article, a review on security in smart home development, written by Rosin John Robles and Tai Hoon Kim in 2010. This article gives a broad overview of security in smart home and highlights three main points. First, network security risk. Similar to the first article, it mentions attacks like packet sniffing and MITM, which can put home network at risk. 2. Privacy and user authentications. It discusses ways to protect users' data, like using neural networks for better security. 3. Device compatibility. Integrating different devices can be challenging, so it emphasizes using standard protocols like ZigBee and Z-Wave for compatibility. 3. The first article is focused on practical solution for IoT-based security, making it great for modern applications. The second article provides a helpful foundation on basic smart home security concepts, but less specific about IoT. Together, they give a strong understanding of both current IoT security solutions and foundational security concepts for smart home. So thank you.